Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to the Daily English Lines podcast. I am your host, Lily. I am so happy to be here with you today. How are you feeling right now? Are you happy? Are you tired? Or are you excited to learn? No matter how you feel, you are in the right place. Today, we are going to slow down. The world is very fast, but here we take our time. We speak slowly, we listen carefully, and most importantly, we practice together. Today's episode is very special. We will learn sentences about a happy and productive day. These are sentences you can use every single day. They are simple, short, and very useful. Do you know the secret to learning English? The secret is repetition. You must hear the sound and then you must make the sound. So today, I want you to open your mouth and speak. Do not just listen with your ears, speak with your voice. Are you ready to begin? Let's take a deep breath. In and out. Okay, let's start our day. Imagine it is morning. The sun is coming up. It is a beautiful day. You open your eyes. What is the first thing you say? Our first sentence is, today is a beautiful day. Listen to me carefully. Today is a beautiful day. Beautiful means very nice, very pretty. Now it is your turn. I will say it, and then you repeat it. Today is a beautiful day. Good. Try one more time. Smile when you say it. Today is a beautiful day. Wonderful. After you wake up, you need energy. You go to the kitchen, you make breakfast. Maybe you eat eggs, maybe you eat bread. The next sentence is, I eat a healthy breakfast. Listen slowly. I eat a healthy breakfast. Healthy means it is good for your body. It makes you strong. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I eat a healthy breakfast. Very clear. Focus on the end of the word breakfast. Fast. I eat a healthy breakfast. Perfect. Now you are ready to go out. Maybe you go to work. Maybe you go to school. Or maybe you go to the market. You need to tell someone where you are going. The sentence is, I am going to work now. Listen, I am going to work now. If you do not work, you can say, I am going to school now, or I am going to the shop now. But let's practice work. Listen and repeat. I am going to work now. Great. Let's try to be a little more fluid. Connect the words. I am going to work now. You sound very professional. When you arrive at work, you see your friend. You want to say hello. You want to ask a question. The sentence is, it is nice to see you. Listen, it is nice to see you. This is a very polite and friendly sentence. It makes people feel happy. Your turn. Speak to your imaginary friend. It is nice to see you. One more time. Warmly. It is nice to see you. Excellent. Now it is the middle of the day. It is lunchtime. You are hungry again. But maybe you are also busy. You have many things to do. The sentence is, I have a lot to do today. Listen closely. I have a lot to do today. A lot means many things. You are busy. Let's practice this. I have a lot to do today. Good. Pronounce the T sound clearly. Lot. I have a lot to do today. Very good job. Even though you are busy, you need to ask for help sometimes. This is very important. Do not be afraid to ask for help in English. The sentence is, can you help me, please? Listen, can you help me, please? Always say please. It is polite. Repeat after me. Make your voice go up at the end like a question. Can you help me, please? Again, can you help me, please? Perfect. People will always want to help you when you ask nicely. The workday is finished. The sun is going down. You are going home. You feel relaxed. You want to sit down. The sentence is, I want to relax at home. Listen, I want to relax at home. Relax means to rest. No working, no stress. Just peace. Let's try it. I want to relax at home. Good. Feel the relaxation in your voice. I want to relax at home. That sounds lovely. At home, maybe you talk to your family. You tell them about your day. You want to say that your day was good. The sentence is, I had a good day. Listen, I had a good day. Note that we say had, H-A-D, because the day is in the past. It is finished. Repeat after me. I had a good day. Simple and strong. Again, I had a good day. Very nice. Finally, it is nighttime. The moon is in the sky. It is dark. You are in your bed. You are ready to sleep. The sentence is, I am ready to sleep. Listen, I am ready to sleep. And usually, we say one more thing to the people we love. The sentence is, good night and sweet dreams. Listen, good night and sweet dreams. Sweet dreams means you hope they have happy pictures in their sleep. Let's practice the last one together. Good night and sweet dreams. One last time, softly. Good night and sweet dreams. Wow, you did such a great job today. You practiced listening, you practiced speaking, you practiced vocabulary. Before we finish, let's do a quick review. I will read the sentences again. I will read them a little bit faster, like a normal conversation. You do not need to repeat, just listen and understand. Are you ready? Today is a beautiful day. I eat a healthy breakfast. I am going to work now. It is nice to see you. I have a lot to do today. Can you help me, please? I want to relax at home. I had a good day. I am ready to sleep. Good night and sweet dreams. Do you understand them? I hope so. My friends, learning English is a journey. It is like walking up a mountain. You must take small steps. Today, you took a big step. Try to use these sentences tomorrow. When you wake up, say, today is a beautiful day. When you go to work, say, I am going to work. Talk to yourself. It is the best way to learn. Thank you for listening to Daily English Lines. If you liked this podcast, please share it with your friends. We want to help everyone learn English simply and slowly. I am Lily, and I am very proud of you. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.